So I have this habit of thinking of a crazy idea and busting my ass to make it happen. This time, the idea was simple. Buy a beautiful adventure bike and ride the hell out of it to the ends of the world. Well, I did the first part, but there was a problem with starting the second. Because how the hell do I ride to the ends of the world when I couldn't even move the bike? So I trained, hard and fast. Then I decided to take my first solo trip to explore coastal Kenya. Yes, I arrived at my destination and experienced the magic and beauty that is Kenya. But the ride to paradise was far from perfect.
Shit, how did I get here? Guys, today is a beautiful day and I am going on my first long adventure trip. Wow. Anyway, I'm going on my first long adventure trip and I decided to pick somewhere a bit familiar. I've been training back to back. After my training in Nairobi with Coach Micah, I came back to Diani and I have been spending almost every day training. Today I decided to take a trip away from Diani Beach. I'm going to a different beach entirely. It's just about an hour ride from Diani, Kenya, and that would easily be my longest ride since I bought this motorcycle. Before I start my trip, it's very important I have some food. So I want to ride into this place called the Salty Squid. They sell seafood here and hopefully they will have something good for me to eat. I think I've checked their menu online and it wasn't so bad. So yeah. Oh, that was a bad turn. I wonder when I'll get this my turning right. It's time to grab some food before I go. The main problem I have with this place is the heat. When I'm wearing my biking gear, I'm always sweating so badly. So I decided to order for a fish taco. I have water now. You see how I'm sweating? I literally can't stop sweating. 3-5. GB. G for goat, B for boy. I'm finally done and I am going back to my bike. It is time to take the actual ride. It's the moment of truth. It's not a very good morning because I already broke a part of my bike. I put this down. I didn't know it wasn't leaning well. Then I was sitting like this. Just when I got off, it fell on the other side. And just like that, this is broken. Just like that. Then after breaking my handlebar, I broke my glasses. I think that wasn't enough. I fell many times. I kept falling like a mosquito. But at the end of the day, I was able to do some practice. What I really wanted was, I learned that making U-turns is one of the hardest things to do when you are learning how to ride a motorcycle. So I decided to concentrate concentrate on getting my U-turns right. I thought if I can get my U-turns right, then it will be easier for me to get other things right. So I tried to concentrate on that. I did that back to back for about 5 days. On the 5th day, I was approached by a man who said it was a private property and I can't do my training there anymore, which was bad and it was wrong, because if it was truly a private property, they would say I should come and do. They would say come and pay them, not of negotiate. They would simply say you can't train here. That was quite disappointing for me. I wasn't ready to negotiate because I knew I would only be going into the pocket of the man. So that was motivation for me to go on the road. So I decided to practicing on the road. The day after I was sent away, that was the first day I did my off-road training. And that was just yesterday. And then yesterday going off-road was fantastic. The mud made me fall down. I still haven't figured out how to go through the mud. It's still a big problem for me. But if you have any suggestions how to go through the mud without falling, please leave the suggestions for me. But yesterday I did the off-road riding and it was great. I did amazingly well. I realized that my tires, the suspensions are so cool. The way it was climbing stones and jumping over things, it gave me some confidence. That is the confidence I'm using to take this ride now. Approaching the intersection. Actually, every time I talk about this experience, the only thing that has worried me is this intersection because of the whole vehicles, and it's not like they know that I'm still learning. So people will tend to ride rubbish because they don't know I'm learning. So let me downshift. This is my first intersection actually. I've never come okay, except when I was training in Nairobi. That was the only time I came across an intersection. This is the first time for me. I'll just watch what other bikers do and then do the same. I'm almost putting both of my feet on the floor so it will be a smoother transition. I know that will be battery crazy, it will look weird. But I'll be okay, I'm sure. This tuk-tuk. I hate tuk-tuk. I can't believe that I rode a tuk-tuk. What happened to me? How? How did it happen? This bump is high. What? I remember I struggled with this bump with my van. People who have seen my van video. People who have seen my van video, you'll see that I kind of struggled with the bumps. But I'm actually having a good time. I feel so much relaxed now that I am not far road anymore. The whole thing was so unnerving. Like it was feeling like, oh my god, like you have to watch out for the cars behind, you have to watch out for the cars in front, you have to watch out for the ones for the side, like tuk-tuk and vehicles stopping people, you have to watch out for the bikers who are crazy, and you literally have to watch out for everybody. It's not enough that you're using all your senses to ride the motorcycle. You also have to employ all your senses to be watchful and mindful of your environment every single second. That is so exhausting. And then when you are new, like Ebaide is, it becomes even way more exhausting, tiring, you know. But I'm happy I'm off that road now, and I am heading towards Tiwi beach. Finally, let's keep going. I'm not there yet, but I don't foresee anything bad. And whatever is going to happen, can't be a big deal. So I'm golden. So the place I'm going to is called Tiwi beach. It is a beach away from Diani beach. I've been in Diani beach. Tiwi beach It's about an hour away from Diani Beach, depending on what you are riding, I guess. I've been here before when I just started my life, and that's exactly why I chose this place, because I wanted somewhere familiar but somewhere that has all the terrains I need to use. That means I needed somewhere that had both off-road and on-road, because this is a training for me as well, kind of a training, even though it's my first trip. So I wanted somewhere that would teach me things. So that, and I wanted somewhere familiar. I don't want to go to somewhere I had no idea about. I don't want to go to somewhere I could get too many surprises. I'm wondering if this is the road, because I remember the first time I came, I got lost, and then the bike guy said I should go through a road that Google Maps wasn't taking me through. I just really hope that I am correct. Oh, what a road! Oh my God! Wow! It's so rocky. So, Tiwi Beach is somewhere for relaxation. It's somewhere you can come to when you want somewhere different from Diani Beach. I mean, Diani Beach is the well-known tourist site, but Tiwi Beach can do a lot for you as well. I mean, the last time I came, it was quite enjoyable for me. Yeah. Yesterday I saw somewhere like this place. I don't want to fall again. Okay. Shit, how did I get here? Oh my God, there are tags on the trees. Shit! I shouldn't have put it up, but oh my God. What am I going to? I am bleeding actually. I absolutely should not have put it off. Oh my God, is it left or right? Motorcycles if I wasn't learning how to ride it. Really? You seriously stopped to stare at me? Wow, I feel so gangster, man. Ebaide. Have at it. Have fun. Have fun. Please don't come my way. Don't come to my front, please. I don't God beg you. I beg I beg you. Okay. Thank you for not coming. Hello. Yeah, I'm here. See who is here. Okay, now I'm not here yet. Let me get over this hurdle. Oh my God. Lord help me. Lord help me. Oh my God. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Let me go here first. Oh my God, I made it here. Jesus Christ. What? I made it, guys. Wow. I am actually just realizing that when I got back on the bike after having my food, I forgot to wear my gloves. I put them in the bag and I forgot. Oh heavens, this is wild. So I've actually just moved Aurora to the front of the beach, but somehow I'm making a video. Say hi.
Hi.